Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Aestura Cream is probably one of the most sought-after moisturizers for those struggling with dry, sensitive, and compromised skin barriers, promising to deliver intense hydration and long-lasting comfort. This cream has garnered significant attention for its ability to fortify the skin's natural defenses, making it a go-to solution for individuals seeking relief from irritation, flakiness, and the general discomfort associated with a weakened skin barrier. Its reputation precedes it, with many users reporting a visible improvement in skin texture and overall resilience after consistent use, positioning it as a staple in many skincare routines. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizer. Discover the ultimate solution for your skin's hydration needs. This daily moisturizer is designed to provide immediate comfort and lasting hydration. It's enriched with powerful ingredients like ceramides and niacinamide. These work together to strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Whether your skin is oily, dry, or sensitive, this formula is perfect for you. It's gentle yet effective for everyone. Experience instant relief from dryness and discomfort. Enjoy deeply hydrated skin that lasts throughout the day. We understand the importance of gentle care. That's why this moisturizer is completely fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Incorporate this into your daily routine for visibly healthier-looking skin. It's the perfect partner for a radiant complexion. What we like. This moisturizer offers a powerful blend of ceramides and niacinamide to restore the skin barrier. It provides immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration, making it suitable for all skin types. If you have sensitive or compromised skin and are looking for a reliable daily moisturizer, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is a cream that helps improve the skin barrier. It is a cream that helps improve the skin barrier and is effective for dry skin. It is a cream that helps improve the skin barrier and is effective for dry skin, and it is also good for sensitive skin. Number 4. Embryolisse Lait-Crème Concentré Face Moisturizer. Discover the iconic French face cream that does it all. It's your daily essential for hydrated, supple skin. More than just a moisturizer, it primes your skin for makeup, leaving a smooth canvas. Use it as a day cream, night cream, or even a mask. Formulated with shea butter and aloe vera, it nourishes and soothes your complexion. Experience the gentle yet effective power of nature. Achieve a flawless finish with this incredible makeup primer. It helps your foundation glide on effortlessly and last longer throughout the day. Trusted by makeup artists and dermatologists for decades, it's a cult favorite for a reason. Achieve that radiant, healthy glow. Its gentle formula is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Enjoy comfortable, hydrated skin every day. What we like. This iconic French cream is a true multitasker, serving as both a moisturizer and a makeup primer. Its rich formula with shea butter and aloe vera nourishes the skin deeply. If you're looking for a product that simplifies your routine and ensures a smooth canvas for makeup, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a good cream that helps with dry skin. The cream is moisturizing and makes the skin feel smooth. It is effective in improving skin barrier function. Number 3. Embryolisse Lait-Crème Concentré Face Cream. Discover the iconic French face cream that does it all. It's your daily moisturizer and a perfect makeup primer in one. Enriched with shea butter and aloe vera, it deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. Experience a soft, supple complexion. Prepare your skin for makeup application like never before. It creates a smooth, flawless base for foundation. Use it as a moisturizer, a makeup primer, or even a hydrating mask. This versatile cream simplifies your skincare routine. Suitable for all skin types, it provides essential care without irritation. Enjoy healthy-looking skin every day. Embrace the tradition of French skincare with this beloved formula. It's a timeless essential for a reason. What we like. This iconic French cream is a true multitasker, serving as both a moisturizer and a makeup primer. Its rich formula with shea butter and aloe vera nourishes the skin deeply. If you're looking for a product that simplifies your routine and ensures a smooth canvas for makeup, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a cream that helps with dry skin. It's a cream that helps with dry skin and is good for sensitive skin. Number 2. SeoulCeuticals Snail Mucin Moisturizer 97.5%. Discover the power of Korean beauty with our advanced skincare formula. It's designed to bring you the best in anti-aging and repair. Formulated with 97.5% pure snail mucin, this cream harnesses nature's best for skin renewal. It works effectively to restore your skin's youthful appearance. Use it day and night for continuous care. This moisturizer helps repair damaged skin and promotes a smoother, more radiant complexion around the clock. Combat the signs of aging with this potent K-beauty solution. It targets fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking firmer and more revitalized. Our formula is not only effective but also gentle on your skin. We are proud to be cruelty-free, ensuring ethical beauty practices. Incorporate this essential moisturizer into your daily routine. It provides deep hydration and nourishment for a healthy, glowing look. What we like. This Korean skincare gem is packed with 97.5% snail mucin, renowned for its regenerative and anti-aging properties. It effectively hydrates and helps repair the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines. If you are seeking advanced anti-aging benefits and the power of K-beauty, this snail repair cream is a must-try. What people say. It's a cream that helps with dry skin and keeps it moisturized for a long time. The cream has a good texture and is easily absorbed into the skin. It strengthens the skin barrier and makes the skin healthier. Number 1. Amallow Grass-Fed Beef Tallow Skin Care. Experience the purity of 100% grass-fed beef tallow. It's a natural, nourishing ingredient for your skin. This whipped moisturizer is perfect for both your face and body. It provides deep hydration without heaviness. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, it's gentle and soothing. You can finally achieve comfortable, moisturized skin. Enjoy the benefits of a natural lotion, completely unscented. It's pure goodness for your skin's health. This 4 fluid ounces jar offers lasting hydration. Feel the difference of truly natural skincare. What we like. Made from 100% grass-fed beef tallow, this moisturizer is incredibly rich and nourishing, mimicking the skin's natural lipid structure. It's perfect for even the most sensitive or dry skin types due to its simple, natural ingredients. If you prefer a pure, unscented, and deeply conditioning moisturizer, this tallow balm is an exceptional choice. What people say. It is a good cream that moisturizes well. It is a cream that helps with dry skin. It is a cream that is good for sensitive skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.